Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. Do you need to convert a Microsoft Word document into a PDF, but aren't sure how to do it? In this video, I'll show you 2 super easy ways to convert your Word document to a PDF first, using Microsoft Word on your desktop, and then using a free online method if you don't have Word installed. It's simpler than you think, so let's get started and make your document shine in PDF format. Let's start with the most straightforward method using Microsoft Word on your desktop. Open Microsoft Word on your computer. I've already got a sample document open here. It's a simple resume with my name and some details. To convert it to a PDF, click on File in the top left corner. Then, select Save As from the menu. Choose where you want to save your file. I'll pick the desktop for easy access. Below the file name, you'll see a drop-down labeled Save As Type. Click on it. You'll see a list of file formats, like Word document, rich text format, and more. Select PDF. Before saving, you can click Options to customize settings, like choosing specific pages to save or adjusting the PDF quality, but the defaults are usually fine for most users. Now, click Save. Your Word document is now a PDF. It might automatically open in your default PDF viewer, like Microsoft Edge, so you can check that the formatting matches your original document. It's that easy. If you're loving this quick tech tip, hit that subscribe button to join the Passionate About Tech community. What if you don't have Microsoft Word installed on your computer? No problem. You can still convert your Word document to a PDF for free using an awesome online tool called PDFgear. Let's walk through it. Open your browser and go to PDFgear.com. On the home page, look for the menu at the top and hover on PDF Online Tools. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on All PDF Tools to see the full range of options. Scroll down the page until you reach a section labeled Convert to PDF. In this section, look for the one that says Word to PDF. It has a little Word icon next to it, and the description, Convert Microsoft Word Documents to PDF. Click the Convert Now button below it. This will take you to the Word to PDF conversion page. Here, you'll see a button to upload your file. Click it, or drag and drop your Word document from your computer. For this example, I'll use a sample document I prepared earlier. Select your file, and PDFgear will upload and convert it automatically. Once the conversion is done, you'll see a Download button. Click it to save the PDF to your computer. It'll likely save to your Downloads folder. Open the PDF, and you'll see your Word document is now a perfectly formatted PDF, with all the fonts, spacing, and layout preserved. This online method using PDFgear is perfect if you're on a shared computer, don't have Word installed, or just want a fast, free solution. It's simple, efficient, and gets the job done in seconds. And that's it, tech fans. You've just learned how to convert a Word document to a PDF in 2 easy ways using Microsoft Word on your desktop or the free online tool at PDFgear.com. Thanks for watching. Stay passionate about tech, and I'll see you in the next video.